Setting the safe title margin. So when we create titles in Premiere Pro, we want to be able to position our text and graphic elements so that it's not cut off when it puts it on a television monitor. So we'll have these margins that will help us from getting too close to the edges that could be clipped off if the settings on a television monitor are not just right. So what we're going to do is up in our program monitor, we're going to go to our settings. And in here we're going to go down to safe margins. In the safe margins, the outer box is 10% from the edge. Things that fall outside of that box are probably going to get cut off in a television monitor. The inner box is 20% from the edge, and this is really known as the title safe area. Notice how I have my lower third here parked inside the title safe area. This makes sure that it's the innermost safe margin. It'll make sure that audience can actually see this if they have a messed up on their settings on their television. So this is known as the safe title margin.